Want to add the explosive Galleom spirit to your collection? This guide will show you exactly how to unlock it in Super Smash Bros. Ultimate. First, head into World of Light. Galleom can be found in the World of Light adventure mode. You'll want to navigate through the map until you reach the specific area where he's located, which is towards the lower left side of the Light Realm. Now to access the Galleom battle, you'll need to defeat the fighters in the area. Typically, this involves completing a specific spirit battle on the spirit board, so keep your eyes peeled for this step. You must engage in the Galleom spirit battle. This fight will feature a powerful fighter mimicking Galleom's attacks and characteristics, so be prepared for a tough challenge. Focus on exploiting any weaknesses of the fighter in the battle. Look for openings after their attacks to deal significant damage and bring them closer to defeat. Using a spirit with high defense or one that is strong against physical attacks can also be really beneficial. Upon victory, you'll be rewarded with the Galleom spirit. Congratulations! You've successfully added this powerful spirit to your Super Smash Bros. Ultimate roster. Now you can equip the Galleom spirit to your fighter and gain its stat bonuses and abilities, giving you an edge in future battles. Enjoy using Galleom spirit to enhance your gameplay.